Within our One Mallorca boutique, we're pleased to present you with a selection of exclusive properties for exclusive clients just like you. Highlighting the natural beauty of the exterior gardens, the construction of this house rises discreetly from the ground, creating clean lines that define this beautiful minimalist villa that's achieved in its architecture the perfect balance between modern pieces and the rustic elements in its comfortable distribution on one floor. This modern villa with Mediterranean soul is a perfect property for small families or couples looking for a unique romantic house full of beautiful corners, such as its pool from where you can see the sea and the mountains, and where you can enjoy with friends and family the spectacular sunsets and sunrises on this beautiful island. One Mallorca, protecting the interests of our clients since 2013.